Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Brain, the place where you can relax, listen, and grow your English step by step.
Hi, friends. Today we have a calm, simple listening lesson at A2 level. We're talking about something very modern, a day without a phone.
Maybe you know this feeling. You want to focus, but your phone pulls your attention.
You check messages, you open social media, you watch one short video, and suddenly 30 minutes are gone.
And when you learn English, this is a big problem.
Because you want a quiet mind, but your phone makes your mind noisy.
Today, we'll do two things.
First, you will listen to a simple story about a day without a phone.
Second, you will learn easy phrases you can use to talk about your daily routine.
And in a minute, we'll share a simple trick that can change how you feel about English listening practice.
Before we start, let's normalize something.
If you use your phone a lot, that's normal. Almost everyone does.
And if English feels hard when you listen, that's also normal.
Listening is like training your ears. It takes time.
Good. Now here is the simple trick. Ready?
The trick is, don't try to understand every word. Try to understand the main idea.
Main idea first, details later.
This helps you stay calm, and calm helps your brain learn faster.
Great. Now let's start our story.
Imagine this is my day, a normal day, but with one rule.
The rule is no phone for the whole day.
No scrolling, no quick checking, no notifications.
In the morning, I wake up and I reach for my phone.
But I stop. I remember the rule, no phone today.
At first, it feels strange.
My hand wants the phone, like a habit.
So I do something different. I open the window.
I breathe slowly. I look outside.
Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast.
I make something simple, eggs and bread, or maybe oatmeal.
Usually, I eat and look at my phone, but today I eat and I just eat.
I taste the food. I notice the sound in the room.
It is quiet, and the quiet feels good.
After breakfast, I write a small plan for the day on paper.
Not on my phone, on paper.
I write, clean the room, go for a walk, do some English, cook lunch.
A simple list, nothing big.
Then I start cleaning.
I pick up clothes, I make the bed, I clean the table.
And something interesting happens.
I finish faster because I don't stop to check my phone.
I feel proud. It's a small win.
And small wins are powerful.
Next, I go outside for a walk.
At first, I feel bored.
I think, what do I do now? Because normally the phone fills the empty space.
But after 5 minutes, my mind becomes calmer.
I start noticing things, trees, cars, people, the sky.
I also notice my thoughts.
And I realize something. My brain is always talking.
When I have a phone, I don't hear my own thoughts.
Without a phone, I hear them clearly.
Then I have an idea.
I decide to use this quiet time for English thinking.
Not complicated English, just simple A2 English.
Like, I am walking. The weather is nice. I feel relaxed.
This is a great way to practice speaking without pressure.
Because nobody is watching. It's just you and your thoughts.
After my walk, I go home.
I drink water. I sit down.
And now it's time for English practice.
But still, no phone. So what can I do?
I choose one short English lesson.
Maybe a printed page, maybe a notebook, maybe a simple story.
I read slowly.
I say some sentences out loud.
And I repeat the sentences.
Because repetition builds confidence.
Now let's pause the story for a micro challenge.
Dear listener, now you try.
Say one simple sentence about your day. Use I usually.
For example, I usually check my phone in the morning.
Now say one more sentence. Use today I.
For example, today I listen to English.
Great. Two small sentences. That is real practice, and your future English self is smiling right now.
Back to the story. It's lunchtime now.
I cook something easy rice, chicken, vegetables.
While I cook, I feel another strong phone habit.
I want to play a video or music.
But I don't. I stay with the moment. I listen to the sound of cooking.
And again, I feel calmer.
It is like my brain is slowly resetting.
After lunch, I want to message a friend.
But I remember, no phone.
So I do something old-fashioned. I visit my friend or I wait until tomorrow.
And that feels difficult at first.
Because we are used to instant communication.
But later, I feel something nice.
I feel free.
In the afternoon, I work or study.
And I notice I focus longer.
I do one task, then the next task. No jumping, no distractions.
When I get stuck, I don't escape to my phone.
I take a short break. I breathe. I drink water.
This is a good habit for English, too.
When English feels hard, don't escape. Take a calm break, then continue.
Now let's teach some useful phrases from this story. Phrases you can use to talk about your routine and your phone habits.
Phrase 1. I usually.
Example, I usually check my phone before breakfast.
Phrase 2. Today, I decided to.
Example, today I decided to take a break from my phone.
Phrase 3.
At first it felt. Example, at first it felt strange.
Phrase 4. After a while, I.
Example, after a while I felt calmer.
Phrase 5. I noticed that.
Example, I noticed that I focus better without my phone. Let's do micro challenge number 2. Use 2 of these phrases and make 2 sentences about your life. Sentence 1, I usually. Sentence 2, today I decided to. Keep it simple. Simple is strong. Great. Now let's go to the evening part of the story. In the evening, I normally relax with my phone. I scroll, I watch short videos.
I answer messages. I check the news.
But today, no phone, so I choose a different kind of rest.
I take a shower. I make tea.
I read a few pages of a book, or I write a few lines in a notebook.
And something surprising happens.
I feel sleepy earlier,
Because my eyes are not looking at a bright screen.
and my mind is not full of fast information.
When I go to bed, I feel proud.
Not because I am perfect, but because I tried.
This is the mindset part of today's lesson.
Your English journey is the same.
You don't need to be perfect to improve.
You need to try step by step.
Some days you will feel motivated.
Some days you will feel tired, busy, or stuck.
That is normal.
Progress is not about big energy. Progress is about small daily steps.
Your future English self is built in small moments.
One sentence, one short listening practice, one new phrase.
Even 5 minutes is useful.
5 minutes today is better than 0 minutes.
Now let's give you a simple routine for the next 7 days. A mini challenge. Calm, easy, and realistic.
Day 1. Choose one time of day with no phone for 15 minutes.
Use that 15 minutes for easy English listening or reading.
Day 2. During a walk, say 5 simple English sentences in your head.
Like, I am walking. It is cold. I feel okay.
Day 3. Write 5 short sentences about your day. Use I usually and today I.
Day 4. Do one small task without your phone near you. Then say, I noticed that, and finish the sentence.
Day 5. Learn 5 small phrases and repeat them many times. Not many words, just a few phrases.
Day 6. Tell a friend, in English if possible, one sentence about your phone habit.
I usually check my phone too much. Today, I want to use it less.
Day 7. Do a calm review. Read your sentences again. Listen again. Notice your progress.
This is how your future English self grows.
Slowly, calmly, step by step.
Now, micro challenge number 3.
Say one sentence to your future English self.
For example, I will practice a little every day.
Or, I am not perfect, but I am improving.
Great. Now it's time for the question of the day.
Here it is. What is one thing you can do today without your phone for 15 minutes?
Write your answer in the comments using this sentence. Today, I will.
For example, today I will read in English.
Today, I will go for a walk.
Today I will study 5 phrases.
If you enjoyed this calm listening practice, please like the lesson and subscribe to the English Brain.
And share it with a friend who wants to improve English with small, peaceful daily habits.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Remember, small steps, calm mind, strong English.